Hey tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into something that's about to completely revolutionize how we think about software development. Replit just dropped a game-changing AI toolkit that's going to blow your mind. Let me break down what's happening. For years, coding has been this intimidating world where only a select few could turn ideas into reality. But Replit just obliterated those barriers. Meet the Replit Agent. This isn't just another coding tool. This is your personal AI software creator. Imagine having an AI that can take your wildest idea and transform it into a fully functional application with zero coding experience required. Want a local business website? Done. Dream of creating a custom health dashboard? Consider it built. A complex business software solution? The agent's got you covered. But wait, there's more. Replit just introduced the Assistant. Think of it as your AI project polish master. Got an existing project? The Assistant can refine, improve, and iterate faster than you can say code review. The most mind-blowing part? Visual design is now ridiculously simple. Just drop a screenshot or paste a URL of a design you love and watch the Replit agent recreate it in stunning React detail. Let's talk pricing, because here's where Replit gets seriously user-friendly. Unlimited usage with built-in monthly credits. Most users won't spend a dime beyond their subscription. Power users get transparent, value-line billing through checkpoints, essentially paying for actual development progress. What makes Replit different? Infrastructure. While other AI coding tools give you snippets, Replit provides a complete ecosystem. Need a database? Spin it up. Secure API keys? Managed. Want to publish your app? 2 clicks. No third-party juggling required. This isn't just a tool. This is a revolution. Replit is democratizing software creation, making it accessible to everyone from the Cleveland realtor with a dream to the enterprise product manager looking to innovate. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced developer looking to supercharge your workflow, Replit's AI toolkit is your new secret weapon. Hit that subscribe button, drop a comment about the coolest app you'd build, and let's dive into the future of software creation together.